There are two good reasons why you need to have an investment philosophy and why you should never invest without one. It's another principle every investor should know. Before you invest a dime in the stock market, you want to be sure how you're going to do it and why. Let me give you an example. Let's say you wanted to take a long cross-country hike to a beautiful mountain lake. You know it's going to take a couple of days, and the path is going to be steep, winding through forests and fields. Before setting off, most of us would get the right gear together, make sure we had enough food and water, and carefully plan our route. We wouldn't just throw a bunch of random stuff in our backpack and head out in the general direction of the lake. Unfortunately, most investors invest precisely this way. They gather together a bunch of random investments with no plan or purpose other than hoping for good returns. Generally, they're disappointed. With an investment philosophy, you will always know how you're going to invest and why. You've factored in good markets and bad. You're not swayed by hype or panic. Now, hope, gut instincts, and tips from your neighbor or CNBC are not an investment philosophy. Instead, your investment philosophy should always do what it's supposed to. It should be rational, defensible, and repeatable. No investment philosophy is going to work 100% of the time. But if your philosophy is prudent and evidence-based, chances are you're going to get where you want to go over the long term. So the principle is, have an investment philosophy and stick to it.